Business Analyst gives you several options to define analysis sites for your reports on the map. For instance, you can import a spreadsheet of stores with location information. You can also use a list of geographic boundaries or shapefile of customer locations, distributors, sales agents, or sales territories. You can do this in simple steps. First, you'll click on Add Data. Then you click on Browse button and navigate to where your file is. So we have the agent list right there. We click Open, and I'm just gonna give you a snippet of how the data looks like. So we have several feeds or other columns within our data. We have the region, the district, the physical location and postal address. We have the agent's name. We have their telephone number, their working hours, opening and closing times. We have the services provided, as well as the latitude and longitude of these particular outlets that we are working with. So once we have selected our agent list right there, we click Import and we select points and just scroll down, click on Next. And these are the columns or other fields that we have in our map, in our file. So we select the columns that we want to appear in our datasets. And once we are all done, then we click Next. So our points will be plotted on the map, and we have various styling options. We have an option of having a single symbol, which looks like that. We have counts and amounts. We have unique symbols and heat maps, color sizes, and type and sizes. For our case, we are going to select heat maps and see how many agents we have within a location, or also just to find out which location has the highest number of agents. Then the next bit is to save the name. To save and name our new layer, you can save the points only, or you can choose to create and save sites for your points. So you have an option of actually working with rings and create a ring buffer of 1 to 5 kilometers, or you could even calculate drive times to these areas and see how much time it takes one particular person to get to access these financial services within a bank agent. So we select our drive time. We have the 5, 10, and 15 minutes drive time, and we maintain our layer name, and we go ahead and actually run this. So we select drive time and we click save. Then this will take a few minutes and we'll have a new site layer that is created. So we can access the layer created in the project content if you wish to work with it further. And also, once your analysis sites are ready, you can generate reports and infographics for them and summarize the desired market data. So I'm just gonna zoom in and out and break it down for you, the results that we've gotten. So we have the drive times. We have the red, those are 5 minutes drive time. We have the green, 10 minutes drive time, and we have the blue, which is 15 minutes drive time. So we can actually tell how much time it takes us to get to a particular agent to access financial services. Thank you for listening.